I couldn't sleep last night because we purchased this new coffee machine, and these are the capsules which comes with it, and it's very impressive. However, I made a comment to my wife, this looks like a Swiss watch case, not something what we're supposed to drink in 12 sitting. So I thought it's ridiculous. In most cases, as we know, this goes to waste. Yes, there's a recycling program, but I think most people, probably 80% of the people, would just toss this to the garbage, and it goes to waste, to the oceans and all that. These are each is a size of like an espresso cup itself, and that should be one serving. I think it's disgraceful. It's ridiculous. So to sleep, I figured I'm gonna do an artwork with this. I'm thinking and contemplating to do an artwork end of days, because we live in strange and crazy times, and this just give me an idea how to do that and what to do it with. And I will use an empty cases and create an artwork with that. That's the only way I can just deal with this, or not to lose sleep over this. So I will use this as empty cases in the artwork, and that way I a little bit feel compensated. I do something useful with it, and not just let it go and throw it to the garbage. And also I figured the title gonna be Blind as a Skull, because we all are. As I promised to myself a few days ago when we bought this new Nespresso coffee machines with this huge aluminum capsules, which is a size of already coffee cup, like an espresso coffee cup itself, most of them made of aluminum. I think it's crazy, it feels insane, but this represents really our world today. We are in the middle of the pandemic of this virus, the new coronavirus. I don't know what it is exactly, nobody knows, and the world is getting crazier and scarier. This is also part of it, like to supply something like this for just throwing away after one use for enjoying one cup of coffee. To me, that's crazy. It's gonna end up in landfills, most of the cases. Even they have a recycle program. We ordered $400 worth of this, which is like about 350 of this, close to 400, and they provide one bag, okay? One small bag which would hold probably 50 of these, I'm not sure, or 60, but definitely not 350 or 400. And that's the program they have. You can send it back, and they deal with it. I don't know how. I don't think they're reusing them, because they are clearly a little bit bent and damaged. I'm trying to fix it, but obviously I don't think they reuse it. Anyway, most of the time it's gonna end up, as I mentioned, in landfills, or even worse, in our oceans. So this, I cannot live with that idea. So I'm gonna use them, clean them, and just send these pieces back, or recycle these pieces. Okay, and these are aluminum, I think, as well, but it's very light, and like a very little percentage of the capsules of themselves. And I will use this part of the capsules to my new series of artwork, which, as I mentioned, gonna be titled End of Days and Blind as a Skull, which refers to humanity. We are blind as skulls. I completed the first couple of pieces of my new series of works called End of Days, Blind as a Skull, 2020.